Hello friends, welcome to my channel Davi Adishal. Today I'm here to make sardine, and today it requested from Sukmit 91. That is my brother. So I'm going to make sardine myself. My recipe. This is sardine from the tin. It's how many? 4 to 5 grams, and it's halal. If no one know, this is the first time seeing sardine, this is sardine. Okay, today the ingredient what we need is very simple. 2 big onions already chopped, and then I have 10 cloves of garlic already cut long. You can cut small pieces, but today I cut long. So 1 green chili, 1 big tomato, and little bit of curry leaves. Then I have this mixed herb, and then potato, 3 potatoes, small potatoes I cut into small cubes. Can you see? Okay, this is fish masala, chili powder, and turmeric powder. So what we need is salt and oil for frying. So stay tuned friends, I will start my recipe now. Okay friends, I already add oil. Okay, after this I'll put the mixed herb at half spoon. Okay, and then I'll put the curry leaves. Let it fry for a few seconds. It's very simple, my recipe. Other people, other recipe, other way. So this is my way. Okay, now I'll add the garlic. Garlic and chili. While it's frying for a few seconds, then I add the potato already cut into few small cubes. I already cut earlier. It's only 3 small potato. You can add if you like more. If you like less, you can put it less. You know, I'll let it fry. Let the potato be cooked for a while. Fire I'll put medium. While it's frying, I will remove the sardine. I remove the bones from the sardine. I will show you guys. But if you don't want to remove the bones from the sardine, it's no problem. You just can put in like this. But I will remove just from the middle and a little bit from the side. I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. I already opened, but I never opened fully. So what I will do is I'll just take out the sauce first. Just only the sauce, not the fish. Can you see? Only fish left. Okay, this is the sauce we will use later. Now I will take out this in a different plate. Okay friends, I already done, but I'll show you how. I will remove make sure your hand is clean. Okay, can you see the bones? So I'm removing the bones. I already done half. This is the balance more to show you how. That this is the sardine bones. Okay, this is the side one. There, removing. This is a Malaysian popular food and very fast food. You can make it curry. You can make sardine curry. You can just fry it like this. So I'm done here. I'm done. Okay. Okay friends, you can see the potato is halfway cooked, but it's not a problem. You can continue, but now we will add onions and the tomato. We'll add the onions and tomato. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Actually, some of them use turmeric water, Assam Java. So in my recipe, I don't use that because I don't like sour. Only I use in the fish curry. So if you like, you can add. If you don't like, it's okay. Okay. Let it fry properly. Fire I am putting medium. It's a medium or low. If you like more onions, you can add onions more. But today I use big 2 onions. Okay, let it fry for 2 minutes. Okay, then after 2 minutes frying, I will add some turmeric powder. Chili powder I am putting extra because I want spicy, a bit spicy. So I am putting 1 big spoon. If you want less, you can just put it less. If you want more, you can put it more. Then fish masala. Putting this fish masala. Now I have 2 spoons of fish masala. Okay. And add water. The half cup, it was full. So the half cup. I'll mix it. I'll mix. Now I'll just let it boil till you can see the oil on the surface. But sorry, before that I'll add some salt. Salt depends on your taste. You can add it later also, but I put it now. So if less on later, I can add more. So now let it boil for 2 minutes more. Okay friends, it's already 2 minutes. After now I will add that sauce, earlier one, the sardine sauce, I'll put in. Okay, I'll add some water here, then I'll put in back. And the fish too, which I already removed the bones all. I'll add 1 water and mix it together. Friends, after 1 minute of boiling, you see, after the fish all in, the potato, the onion, you can see it's looking so beautiful now. I already tasted, very nice. Now I'll keep it for 2-3 minutes more, and I will off the fire, switch off the fire. Let it boil, and then we can serve with rice, we can serve with chapati, pronta, and the best thing is puri and pronta. It will be good together with sardine and puri, pronta and roti, even rice. Please try at home, guys. Very easy, and this recipe requested from my brother, so thank you to him. Today I have time, I make this recipe today for him. Okay, I think 2 minutes more, then it'll done. Stay tuned, friends. Hi friends, this is how it look after it's done. My sardine with potato is done. Please try at home. If you like my video, please subscribe to me, like, share and comment. If you have anything any ideas, any next recipe, you just comment below. So if I see, I will respond. I will try to make for you